How to create Trust Wallet accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can create yourself a Trust Wallet account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your application from your device. As you launch your app, you will see this interface. Now here tap on I already have a wallet. Simply check the box that says I have read and accept the terms and services of Trust Wallet and tap on to continue. Then here it will ask you for your backup wallet. At the next step, you will see 12 words phrases and that will allow you to recover your wallet. So tick the box below and tap on to continue. And at the next page, you will be able to see your recovery phrases. You will also notice that they have been labeled numerically. Now in order to copy the code, just tap on to copy and tap on to continue. Just like so, enter your recovery phrases in numerical order as shown in the previous page and tap on to continue. As you do so, your wallet will be successfully created, and this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.